Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this 600 grit and kind of sand this right here to kind of feather it out to where you can shoot the nuclear over it and it won't look that bad. Like I said, I'm only doing this because I don't feel like spending $1,000 to buy a new headlight, and something's better than nothing. Kind of make it look better, like I said. As you can see, this one already feathered out, so it should be good. See, they're kind of going away. That's what you want. And right here, if you don't have a shop, what you could do is take it from 600 to 1,000 to 1,200. And if you have a small buffer, you could do this at home to your headlights. That's the cheapest way. If you want it done the right way, you would clear over it to kind of protect it. That should be good enough. As you can see, we have it nice and sanded. Did it with 600, then went over with 1,000 grit to kind of remove those light heavy scratches. Next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna tape it up, mask it off to protect all this from not getting no overspray or anything, you know, have a nice clean job. And after that, we're gonna put it in the booth and re-clear it. Let's go. You can see I'm just like putting the tape nice around. That way that paper goes on top of it nice and smooth. looks like a big ass present. And there you have it. Just ready for paint. Alright, as you can see, I have it in the booth right now, and I know it's kind of loud, so bear with me. I'm trying to speak as loud as I can. All we're gonna do is just clean it up, remove any debris, any dirt, anything. Alright. I'm gonna take another towel, kind of like wipe it off. Wax on, wax off style. Mr. Miyagi. Now we're gonna take our tack cloth. And then next I'm gonna spray some plastic adhesion promoter so that clear can stick on this plastic. I don't want it flaking off. Try to get all the edges real good. And now, just kind of blow some air on it, kind of dry it, let it dry real good. And then I'm going to be shooting clear with this 1.2 an S9 Wada OPH 400, nice little gun. I just shot one coat, as you can see. It looks way better than it did before. Like I said, I'm only doing this so I can save me some money, man. I ain't trying to spend no $1,000 on a headlight. And if you didn't know, this is how much it costs at the dealer. So, try to take care of your headlights, guys.